How to use coins on AliExpress. Ladies and gentlemen, good day. If you're using AliExpress app on your phone, I'm going to show you how you can actually redeem coins that you receive on a daily basis. So let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you are logged in so that your coins, of course, can be accumulated on your account. And then this is your home page. Now, from here, you can see right at the top, there is the coins button. And if it's not found over here, you can actually go ahead and if you go into your account at the bottom of the page and you tap that, you can actually find it in the coins and the coupons section. So whichever way you find it, you're going to tap on that and you're going to go and see that you will view the amount of coins that you have collected. Now, as I mentioned earlier, every single day you actually collect coins, and if you collect coins every day in consecutive, then you actually end up getting more coins. So basically what you're going to do from here is on the bottom, you can see there are some products that are loading, and these are products specific with the coin discount. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, select a product, and once you've selected the product, it's actually going to take you straight through to your cart. And if there are any options, you're going to get to select the options, and you're going to tap on add to cart or buy now, and it'll take you to the place where you will now make your purchase, and the coins will automatically be discounted on the product that you're purchasing. So if you see right over here at the bottom, it gives me an amount, and then it also gives me the discount, and that is now the actual coin discount that I'm receiving. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like. We will see you in another awesome video. Happy shopping.